Yeah. You can go with that steep one.
Yeah, you were strong yesterday, Mark. I mean, you know, we were on the front of the pack with that nice bike of yours. Keep riding with those guys, dude. You'll pace yourself pretty good. Hello. Hello. Did your pedal come out?
No, I looked down at my tire for a second. I ran. Okay, there you go. I mean, that little segment right there. Oops, sorry. I had one KOM. On that downhill. I've been in 4th and 6th place in 10th. No, I'm probably not even on there anymore. Some guy, Robert Smith.
If you go by your name on there?
Yeah. There's a guy at what's his name? Evan? Evan's the one that keeps that KOM down that hill, dude. He just
That one right there?
but it starts from the top. It doesn't start from where the middle part where we cut in. Like from there to there.
There's some freaking
Yeah.
I heard your bottles weren't. Brutal around here.
And the kids racking up KONs all over the place. The kid. That's Ryan's name, the kid. One day Ryan said he wanted to ride with me. I said, what? Okay. Third day of riding, he was in a race. Messed up bike. Didn't finish. Next time, fucking first placers after he got a good bike, of course. So now he's on this puppy right here, and he's fast as hell. His other cousin said, "Oh, I want to go ride with you too, Rob." I'm all, nah. My cousin Casey, my nephew Casey, because he's weird, he's different. I'm on, nah. So now he's in the Air Force now.
If you're stuck in that day, those things are reversed.
I can get Ryan here.
The phone relies too much off the cell tower, and that can get fucked up. I'm going to plug my Donnie and see if I feel anything.
This way is actually really fun, but then there's that big little walk we have to do. One day, Mark, I'll show you. That's the entrance right there, boom. This is for another downhill, straight that way. I'll show you, okay, remember, that way leads to, and I'll tell you when we get to the cars.
Where's that?
Yeah, the downhill. The straightaway it comes down. Well, it attaches to that. You'll see, I'll show you. You know how much your bike weighs? This one.
Oh shit. 34 or something, 36? I think.
Wow, 36.
I think so. It's heavy.
Jeez.
I'm not 100% sure. I haven't weighed it.
Mine weighs 26.
Yeah.
26 pounds. And what do you know what your other one weighs?
I want to say 24 is what he told me, something like that.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Ryan's bike, dude. Fuck, don't pick his bike up. It's like 17. Somewhere in that realm. When I put his bike on my bike rack when we go places, I'm like, oh, this is sick. This is illegal. You got an illegal bike. A modded bike. Where'd they go? Must have went down. I think they went down this way. Oh, too fast.
They got some bumps in it.
Look at this guy coming down. Oh, never mind. Yeah. Hi. Good morning. Yeehaw.
Let me get a picture of you.